Good morning, everybody. I would like to thank everybody for the great support this week of TentandTable.com's first Cyber Air Show. The show is successful. I hope a lot of people got some wonderful new products for their upcoming rental season. We were giving away some wonderful prizes this week. The first one we're going to draw for is our inflatable twister. Okay, we're using, some people might use a regular raffle bin. We're going to use a Tent and Table sandbag, of course. Okay, and who's going to draw the first name? Tony. Yay. Everybody might know Tony and never met Tony. Tony, turn around and say hello to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Okay, got it. Got one. The name is Martin Osorio.
Martin Osorio is the winner of our twister. Okay, next item we're giving away is a mini hoop shot. Okay, great game. If you don't have one in your inventory, everybody should. Colleen, introduce yourself to everybody.
Hi. Thunder Showers LLC.
Yay, Dana!
All right, and our last item that we're giving away today is a rainbow bounce house. Okay, let's see who the lucky winner will be. Steven?
Stephanie Spence.
Yeah. All right, congratulations to Stephanie. Everybody, once again, I want to thank you all for the support of TentandTable.com. I want to thank you for stepping up and doing all of our Facebook likes and everything else that's important. And talk to you soon. Bye.